Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Okay, we are all fine here and we are trying to do our best to make the classes more interesting. So today, as you all know, is Saturday. So Saturday we have decided that it's going to be a fun day for you all with a lot of activities lined up. Like before this we had an art and craft class. Then you will have a karate class in the afternoon, and right now, as you all can see, that we are wearing our aprons and we are ready to do a fireless cooking class with you all. Okay, so today we have a lot of interesting things lined up for you, and the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to teach you how to make Monaco biscuit canopies or toppings. Okay, so I'll just write it down. So this class we are going to name it as activity classes. So this we are going to do every Saturday to make learning fun and interesting for you all. So it's going to be fun, but at the same time it's going to be informative and entertaining as well. Okay, so today we are going to make Monaco biscuits canopies. So Monaco biscuit canopies. Okay, so this you can have it for your snack time or with tea, at tea time you can have. So let's get started children. So here I have Mrs. Adhikari. Okay, so as you can see the ingredients, we have Monaco biscuit, or you can take any salty biscuit also if you want. You get the top biscuit, cream cracker biscuit, any biscuit. So right now we are going to use this Monaco biscuit. It's salty biscuit. Okay, and we've already washed the vegetables. Okay, so we're going to be using vegetables like cucumber, carrots, tomatoes, onions, and for garnishing we have this mint leaves. Okay, and we have cheese also. So we have sliced cheese also, and we have the cube cheese which we have grated. Okay, and then we are going to be using a lot chaat masala for seasoning, chaat masala and chaat masala, and then tomato ketchup. Okay, so let's get started, miss. So first of all we are going to cut the vegetables. So as you can see we've already done, but miss is also showing you. So please children, make sure that you wash the vegetables, because especially in times like this, okay, you have to wash the vegetables properly. Alright, so we are so you can see the shape of the vegetable is also very important. Alright, so we are going to cut the cucumbers into thin slices. So you can ask your parents to help you with the cutting. Okay, so this is the chopping board, and you can see the knife that we are using. So if you're not very sure about using the knife, you can ask your parents for help. Okay, so both your parents and you can make this interesting snack time Monaco biscuit canopies. Alright, so here you can see the vegetables. This is the cucumber which has been sliced into has been cut into thin slices. So onions are here, this is the tomato, the carrots, okay, the cucumber, and then this is we're going to take the biscuits. So these are all healthy vegetables if you see. Okay, so do you know what vitamins we get from the carrots? Why are carrots good for you all? Because it's got plenty of vitamin A. Alright, so in the same way even the tomatoes, it's got plenty of vitamin C, cucumbers also. So all these vegetables are very good for you. It's got plenty of vitamins. Alright, so you can see out here we've taken a slice of cheese. Okay, we're going to cut it into 4 pieces. So there, so 4 pieces, we've sliced one cheese into 4 pieces. Okay, So now we are going to start with the plating. So I think we'll have to use that plate. Yeah. Okay, so now we'll start. So first we'll place one biscuit, or you can take plenty of biscuits. Yeah. Okay, then now we're going to place the cheese slice. Then on top of that, just stuck, I think. It's stuck. So don't worry, children, just get creative. So we're placing the slices of cheese on the biscuits. It's okay, miss. Just yes. Then we're going to place one cube of biscuit on top of that. Okay, now you can place the cucumber, the slices of cucumber. And sprinkle it with chaat masala. Then again you have to place another biscuit, or you're going to put onions. Okay, so onions on top of the cucumber. So look at the shape, it's the same shape, the round shape. Okay. Then again, the slices of tomatoes. Then chaat masala, sprinkle it liberally with chaat masala. Then finally, the topping will be tomato ketchup. What about? No.
Grated cheese.
Then finally, you put the grated cheese on top. Then you can garnish it with mint leaves, or you can put dhania leaves also if you don't have mint. Dhania leaf is called coriander leaves also. Okay. So there you have it, children. Monaco biscuit canopies. Very healthy and very, very tasty. So you can enjoy with your parents and your friends also.
Design you can put.
Okay, so there Mrs. again decorating the plate. So here children, so please enjoy with your parents. Stay indoors and make all these things for your parents and for yourself also. And let me tell you, it's very, very healthy and tasty as well. Okay? So now next, we're going to make, we're going to use the same ingredients, but with a slightly different twist, you can say. So instead of using the sliced vegetable, we are going to use the grated vegetables now. So this is a grater, so we are going to grate the vegetables. So you can see, you can use a grater and you can make it the carrots into small pieces. So the same, all the vegetables we've done. So we've already grated it. So here you have it, the same vegetables we're going to use, okay? So you have carrots, then you have the cucumber, the onions, and this time you're not going to use tomatoes because it gets very soggy, alright? And we've grated the cheese also. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to put the tomato ketchup and chaat masala also, isn't it, Miss? Yes, so chaat masala. Yeah. I think if they don't have chaat masala, they can use lemon juice also, I think.
Lemon juice, yeah.
Yeah, lemon juice, you can put mayonnaise.
Vegetables, you can put anything.
Vegetables, whatever vegetables you want, you can put that. Okay? So this is all called fireless cooking. So if you can see, we are not using any fire. Okay, because we don't advocate the usage of fire by small children, isn't it? You might get yourself burnt. So all this is very safe for children also. Safe cooking. So again we're going to place the biscuits. Then we're going to put this on top of the biscuits. The mixed vegetables. I think you can put the grated cheese also on top. If you want to have more cheese, you can put. Or you can put the slices also, no, if they want.
The cube also.
Yeah, okay.
Should the cube?
Cube you've already put, miss, out, you know.
This one.
Okay, you can use this only. Otherwise, oh.
Cube would look nice, huh?
So there you have it, children. Just a drop. So you can enjoy the snacks with your family. So we've made two kinds of Monaco biscuit canopies. So you can have a look. So one is just with sliced vegetables and one is with grated vegetables. And very, very healthy, as we are emphasizing. Instead of having junk food, you can enjoy these with your friends and family. And you can show off next time your relatives come that I know how to make Monaco biscuit canopies. Alright, children? So I hope you enjoy, as we are also about to enjoy with all the teachers. And let me tell you, children, that we miss you very, very much. And we hope to see you soon. Alright? Back to school. We are all missing you very much. But I hope you all enjoyed this and be safe and be healthy.